Hello all, welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri, and as promised every Friday we come up with a new DIY. So this Friday I'm going to discuss about easy DIY with essential oils for cough and for the cold. Okay, so let's get started. So for this we'll be needing few of the essential oils which are antiviral and antibacterial kind of thing. Okay, so I guess many of them know about tea tree oil for its antiviral and antibacterial properties. So along with that, eucalyptus is also one of the essential oil when it comes to its antiviral and antimicrobial properties. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to make three things today. So one will be a roll-on kind of thing, so it can be used for the specific condition whenever you have, along with cold, if you have a headache or just cold which is having like sneezing or something, you can use this as a roll-on and apply it on the forehead, or you can apply it behind the ear or around your chest region. Okay, so this is the first one. The second one which I'm going to show you is by inserting a gauze piece and then adding essential oil drops in it, and we can use it as an inhaler. Okay, so this is the second DIY. And the third one I'm going to show is making a blend from this essential oil, and you can use it as a diffuser. Okay, so I hope you all will enjoy today's session. Last week even I was down with a bit of a cold and cough, and I tried this very simple recipes and they are really very effective. Okay, so let's get started. So for this I'm showing you the first one, which will be then an inhaler. Okay, so for this I'm taking this cork bottle. This is a glass bottle and having a cork, so whenever you're traveling also anywhere, it is very easy to carry in your purse itself. So it is very safe for your kids and for anybody at home. So what I'm going to do is yeah, here are the essential oils. So what I've done, I've taken gauze piece. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just roll this gauze pieces. Okay, and we will insert it in the jar. मला ड्रॉपर द्या सर. So I'm taking small pieces of this gauze pieces and just rolling it in the bottle. What I'm going to do first is take lavender essential oil, 10 drops. To this I'm adding rosemary essential oil, 10 drops. And eucalyptus essential oil, 8 drops. Okay, so just put a cork, okay, after it is done, and let it sit for about a day. Okay, and from next day you can just inhale this as your inhaler kind of thing. Okay, so if you're having difficulty in breathing or having bit of cold, so this will help you to relieve you from this cold. So just use it as an inhaler. It's very simple. I just added 10 drops of lavender essential oil, 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, and 8 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Okay, so this was our first easy DIY recipe. So you can just label it as your inhaler. Okay, which is with lavender, rosemary and eucalyptus. So this is our first easy DIY. Now the second DIY is we are going to use a roll-on bottle. Okay, so in this roll-on bottle I'm going to add so I'm using fractionated coconut oil, because whenever we apply anything on our skin directly, you should always dilute it with a carrier oil. So I'm using fractionated coconut oil, so roughly around 5 ml of fractionated coconut oil. Okay, so this is a beaker, so it has this 5 ml ka measurement. So I'm just taking 5 ml of fractionated coconut oil, so to which I'm going to add tea tree essential oil, eight drops of tea tree essential oil, then cinnamon essential oil, 4 drops, clove essential oil, 2 drops, and bergamot essential oil, 5 drops. Okay, so give it a nice stir. So the difference between coconut oil, carrier oil, and virgin coconut or fractionated. See, fractionated coconut oil basically doesn't has any smell. Okay, it is non-comedogenic and it is very light. So whenever you're making any essential oil blends, I always prefer using fractionated coconut oil over any other other carrier oil. So just give it a stir. Okay, and now you can fill it up in this roll-on bottle. Okay, and just plug in, and then you are ready to use. Okay, so whenever you have an headache or you have this cold and cough, so you can apply it either on your forehead, you can apply it behind your ear, you can even apply it around your chest region. Okay, so this is our second easy DIY. Okay, so the third one is, just I'm going to tell you that. So what you can do is take 10 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of lemongrass essential oil, and 5 drops of patchouli oil, and whenever you light a diffuser, you can just add that, and your room will be having this aroma, and that will definitely help you to relieve your cold and cough. So do try this very simple recipes, and leave me your feedback. A lot of people are getting back on personal messages and on WhatsApp saying they are enjoying this DIY. So let me know what topic would you like to discuss, and I would be really happy to share it with you all. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the simple DIY. So the first one was the inhaler which we made, the second one was the roll on, and the third one is the easy DIY which I just told to use it as a diffuser. Okay, so the video will be uploaded in some while on the page, so you can have a look at it. Thank you all for joining, and yeah, stay safe and enjoy your day. Thank you.